Mark Zuckerberg, the CEO of Facebook, is going to testify in a mass tort case in California soon. What am I talking about? This lawsuit has been around for a while, and the case that we brought has claims that the algorithms behind these platforms were intentionally made to cause children and kids to become addicted, so they'd use the platform more. And some of the children were injured to the point where they would have bad thoughts, where they would think about hurting themselves. We have cases where children did hurt themselves and where they had to seek mental health professionals to help them with these issues. The defendants in the case are the big platforms. So it's Meta, which is Facebook, YouTube, Snapchat, and TikTok. So what's happened is last week, a week before the trial started, Snapchat did reach a settlement with us, with the plaintiffs. And then the day before the trial was to start, TikTok settled out. So it's just Meta, which is Facebook, and YouTube as the remaining defendants. And this case is going to start soon. The beginning stages are for jury selection, which can take several days. And then the testimony will begin, and Mark Zuckerberg is one of the witnesses who is scheduled to testify. So just because this case is going to trial does not mean that we're not taking new cases. Now that the trial has started and it's being widely covered by all the news outlets on TV, online, on newspapers, it's everywhere. So people will now have more awareness that this is a thing. It is not too late to become part of the mass tort. If you have a child or know of a child that has these qualifications, then they may be able to join this mass tort and get compensation for their injuries. The qualifications would be that they use the platform between ages 8 to 18, that they're currently under 26 years old, that they use the platform more than 3 hours per day, and that ultimately they sought professional help for their mental health issues. We're going to have more updates because the trial's just starting. So Mark Zuckerberg, if he testifies, will certainly have something to say about that.